Okay, now we have to write a polynomial function of least degree that has rational coefficients, a leading coefficient of 1, and the given zeros. Basically, we're going backwards. I'll start with number 5. Number 5 is going to be quite simple. We have 3 zeros, so I'm going to obtain 3 factors, and then we're going to use our knowledge from the quiz a few weeks ago where we had to add, subtract, and multiply, rather. We're going to multiply our factors together to get our polynomial of least degree. So, if this is my 0, there is my factor. If that is my 0, x minus 2 is my factor. If this is my 0, then x minus 4 is my factor. You can only multiply 2 binomials at once, so I'll do the first 2. X squared. My outside is a minus 2x. My inside is a plus 1, so minus x minus 2. This is the trinomial that comes from multiplying that binomial times that binomial. Bring down this one that we have yet to touch. I got a trinomial times a binomial, so I'm going to distribute. And when I distribute, 3 times 2, I'll have 6 terms. And I'll be able to combine from there. So, x squared times x cubed. Minus x times x is minus x squared. Minus 2 times x, minus 2x. This 3 times x gives me that. Now, these 3 times a negative 4. So, minus 4x squared plus 4x and plus 8. There's my 6 terms. I'm going to combine, and I'll have my answer. X cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 8. Now, before I go on to the next problem, you can always check your work. Pull out Frank here. Y equals, let's turn off last example. We have a x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 8. If I graph this, I should have my function crossing the x-axis 3 times. 1 at negative 1, 1 at 2, and 1 at 4. Negative 1, 2, and 4 sure looks the case. Let's get proof. There's negative 1, there's 2, and there's 4. So now I am quite satisfied, ready to move on to the next problem, knowing I got this one exactly correct. You can always check your work. So going backwards, kind of neat. All right, you Kairos guys, we missed you, and hopefully this one helps.